Okay, this is video number 2 for the 84 FLH, and I kind of went through all this already, but the other thing I wanted to point out on this is this video is the brakes and the wiring. So the wiring does come down out of the harness and comes down the right side of the bike, which this will eventually go up front to that wiring harness, and that's what goes behind the cowl. But also for the brakes, there's the master cylinder, and I think that bolt there, the back bolt, this one here is broke, so that'll need to be drilled and be tapped. And then that brake line comes down under the motor, and then it comes around here to the brake switch, and then it's rubber lined to the back. So we're going to change out those factory brakes on this. But that's what you have. I also need the regulator.